Time Tuner is a feature in Premiere Pro that automatically adjusts the video duration to a specific time slot. So let's say you're working on various short form videos, and every video that you make needs to be exactly 60 seconds. And the length of your final output or video is currently 62 to 65 seconds. Or you work for a network and every episode's final duration has to be exactly 44 minutes, and your current episode is about 45 minutes and 20 seconds. The Time Tuner feature will remove frames in certain sections that won't be noticed by the audience. Time Tuner looks for sections of your video where there is low action, and it will either subtract frames if you're trying to shorten the video, or it will add frames if you're trying to extend the video. You can set an exact duration for your final output, or it can be changed by a percentage. The Time Tuner feature can only extend or shorten your video by 10%. To use the Time Tuner feature, have the clips that you want to export in your timeline and make sure you set your in and out points. Then go to File, Export, Media, or press the keyboard shortcut Command M on a Mac or Control M on a Windows computer. The Export Settings window will appear, and go to the Format tab and choose the format you want to export it as. I'm going to use H.264, and then go down to the Effects section and make sure Time Tuner is enabled, and the drop-down menu for Time Tuner will appear. The current duration section represents how long your sequence currently is, and the target duration, which by default matches the current duration of your sequence. But once we make the necessary changes, it will be the Time Tuner adjusted duration. In duration change, adjust the new duration as a percentage of the original duration, meaning if we add a positive number like 10, it will make the duration of your sequence longer by 10%. And if you add a negative number like -10, it will make the duration of your sequence shorter by 10%. But I want my sequence to be exactly 1 minute long. So I will go to the target duration and change it from 1 minute and 5 seconds to exactly 1 minute. As you can see, and it automatically changes the duration change to 7.69%. And for in preset use, this will determine if you want to save your Time Tuner settings as a preset, and you have the option to save the duration change as a preset every time you use this Time Tuner feature, or the target duration every time you use this feature. Since I need this to be exactly 1 minute, I'm going to create a preset for target duration. I'm going to select target duration and go to the preset tab and go to the icon that has 3 dots on it and press Save Preset. The Skip Slates function will apply the Time Tuner feature on slates or a series of images with a combined duration longer than 10 seconds. Choose your location where you want this file to be exported to. I'm going to send this to my Downloads folder. Press Export, then the Export tab will appear, and when your media has exported, it will appear in your desired location. And this is how you use the Time Tuner feature in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.